Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andinur Aulia, and the reason I made this video is I want to tell you about my opinion in understanding morphology. Okay, the first is based on the definition from online dictionary that I say morphology is a branch of linguistics that study about word structure, that how they are formed, and the internal construction of a word. So based on expert views that say morphology is study about forms of word and systematic correspondence between the form and meaning of a word. So in my opinion, that morphology is branch of linguistics which study about words that humans use to communicate, how a word form, word patterns, and also deal with understanding part of word that can change the different meaning from root words. So the second is, yes, I agree for that statement because it is fundamental of morphology that we need to learn how to differ. So no, it is not revert to the same thing, which the word is the smallest element that can be uttered or written. So word has a class form and still has meaning even if it stands alone. So lexemes is all possible form of a word, and word form is one of lexemes that used to fulfill the grammatical function in forming a sentence. So the third is morpheme as the smallest unit in language that not only contain about meaning but also carry lexical information and grammatical information. So there is two types of morphemes. The first is free morphemes, that a word can stand alone and has a specific meaning. The example is need. So the second is bone morphemes. Bone morphemes is the word that cannot to stand alone. They have no specific mean if they stand alone. The example is suffix at. The example in the word is needed. So the second is affixes. Affixes is a bone morpheme that attached to free morpheme. Free morpheme is root words, and they may bring different in meaning, lexical function, and also grammatical function. For example, is write. Write mean about create something that can be read. That write become rewrite. Rewrite have different meaning from write. The mean become write something against. Okay, maybe this from me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.